Redneck Garage. Well, I'm out here with my little NV200 Nissan van, and I'm a locksmith, and I run a locksmith business in addition to the Redneck Garage. And I've been using this van for probably about 5 years. And I specialize in like transponder keys, and we do rekeying and safes and all the, you know, full service locksmith stuff. And I've outgrown this van. It is just really freaking too small for me. So I've got another locksmith I'm going to put in it. And I bought a new van, and I thought I would show you what I bought. Holy crap. I bought a Ram 2500 Promaster, 159-inch wheelbase. This thing is a beast. It is huge, and it's going to be my mobile office. With the little van, I've basically had to just move stuff in it, take it out, put it in the garage. This will help me to keep everything in one spot. We'll just do a walk around on it. Now, the one thing I did find when I was looking for this specific model, right, is that every dealer orders it willy-nilly, and they order all kinds of different options, and some of them are just stupid and some of them you really wanted but they didn't put on it. So I had to kind of search. I had to go to North Carolina to get this van. They gave me a really good deal at Kennersville Dodge, but it didn't have everything I wanted on it, but it had more what I wanted than, you know, ordering one from the factory, which you got to wait forever, and the cost is higher. So because it was on their lot, got a little bit better deal. We're on the plane to go to Charlotte, pick up this van. Look how excited she is. How excited are you? Are you excited? It's about like 6 o'clock in the morning, so we've already Ubered up here. Then we're headed to Charlotte. Then we're going to drive an hour and a half. I'm not waking up yet. We're driving down the mountain. Doing pretty good though, huh? Navigation's working. They call it the Smoky Mountains. You can see the smoke coming off of it. It's really fog. Pretty cool. So I did a lot of comparing, and here's a comparable Ford Transit van, and for about the same length, it's got a backup camera, cruise control, I think, Bluetooth stereo. $43,000 is what they were asking for this one, and there's no dealer incentives. Here's the window sticker from the van I actually ended up buying, and it lists out at $38,350, but with all the incentives, and I got employee pricing from my buddy Mike at FCA Chrysler, I ended up paying with tax, title, tags, everything, $31,500, which was a super deal. So I'm really excited about that. Let's take a look at the inside. One thing that you notice is this thing is super high, and getting into it is a pain. So I got some running boards ordered, but the interior is really pretty nice. This is their upgraded radio with the navigation and everything, and it's still not that great. After I've used it, it's kind of Mickey Mouse, but it does have navigation on it. Very comfortable 6-way seats. Got a V6 Pentastar. I've ordered a clipboard from England, believe it or not, because somehow in the United States, they said that the passenger airbag could interfere with this clipboard that they have on the Fiat Ducato, which is the same van. So I ordered one from England. We'll see if I actually get it in or not. About 140 bucks for one that flips up, which will be super cool. Super spacious. We drove it back yesterday, about 500 miles, and it's pretty comfortable. It's got a shelf up here. So I'm pretty happy with that. The air conditioner works well. It's actually got a Fiat key system, which I really hate. None of that really matters, though. The thing that matters is this is the business end of this van, and I can stand up in it. Let me see if I can get up in the van. But I can walk around in the back of the van because it's 6'4" in the back. It's huge. It needs insulation. This is like a blank pallet for me to build a super cool locksmith service truck. I've got all kinds of stuff ordered. I just wanted to get a video before I started anything to show you what it looks like when you get it from the dealership, which you can't even use it because there's nothing in it. But if you're using a cargo van, it would work, I guess. The doors fold back flat to the van, which is really cool if you're working in the back of it. But this van didn't have windows in it. That's what it looks like on the outside. So I've actually ordered replacement glass windows right there to fit in this van. So the windows, I've got to whack out the metal here. So I'm going to cut into a brand new van. How dumb is that? That's the windows right there. This is insulation. We're going to use polyiso. It's got a 6R rating. It's really kind of the best insulation you can use for the inside of a van or, you know, RV, things like that. It's relatively thin. You're going to cut it to fit and glue it up there. I've got some headliner material going to put on it. So we're just going to go through a little bit of the build. I'm not going to go through like all kinds of stuff on it, but just wanted to show you the new van, what I've been dealing with, what I've been doing, and how cool this is going to be when we get going. I've ordered vinyl to make the letters. I make my own letters for all the vans that I use, but I'm really happy with it. It is a beast. It is truly a beast, and when you stand and look at the back of it, it's like, holy crap. Ordered this bed rug for it, and it's got a foam contoured back of it, which is really cool. I think it'll insulate fairly well. I may put some foam underneath it, but this is what I'm putting on the floorboard. I'm going to throw that in real quick and let it kind of settle down from being rolled up, but that is neat. And it's got kind of a carpety finish on the outside. That looks better frickin' already. Very good and thick. I like that. Super cool. I'm just going to let it sit in there and kind of settle down, and then of course cabinets and the divider and all the other stuff will go on top of it. There's D-rings I'm going to have to find underneath it though. But let me tell you, that's worth 200 bucks right there. Alright, so that's going to be my finishing up of the initial video. This is what it looks like, you know, that kind of thing. This is going to be one slick locksmith truck, I can tell you that. And I'm excited to get it finished. Right now I can't even drive it because what can I do in it besides drive around? And that's fun, but wait for some stuff to come in from the big brown truck. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.